Let's be real. The internet right now is drowning in what I like to call AI slop. You know what I mean? 100 copy-paste videos, faceless TikToks with the same robot voice, blog posts that read like your fridge wrote them. Yeah, some people are making money. But trust me, that money's not gonna last. So today, I'm gonna show you 5 actually smart ways to use AI to make money online, without being cringy, without getting banned, and without spamming the internet with garbage. First up, AI prompts. Think of prompts like cheat codes for AI. Instead of just typing, "Make me a logo," you can sell powerful, detailed prompts that give way better results. People are literally making bank selling these on Gumroad, Etsy, and even Fiverr. It's like selling recipes, except the recipe is for AI magic. And the best part? You write it once and it keeps selling over and over. For example, let's say you find a prompt that creates Instagram captions for coaches. You could sell that prompt as an Instagram caption generator for coaches. And every time someone uses it, you make a little bit of money. Now, I'll let you in on a secret. There's a tool that lets you save your prompts and share them with others. So, if you're thinking about diving into this, start with ChatGPT+. It's a game changer. Number 2. Use AI to supercharge your content. Now, I do not mean spamming 10,000 videos with a robot narrator. That's just asking for a ban. I mean using AI to do the heavy lifting. Research, scripts, editing ideas, subtitles. Then you add the spice. Your jokes, your style, your personality. A popular creator recently revealed he uses AI to generate 80% of his content. And yeah, it shows in his massive growth. That's how people are building faceless YouTube channels, blogs, and podcasts that actually grow and stay monetized. In fact, a website is using AI to generate scripts for their 300-plus member podcast network. Number 3. AI chatbots for small businesses. Look, your local pizza shop probably isn't hiring a full-time customer support agent. But they do need something to answer customers at 2 a.m. when someone texts, "Hey, do you guys still deliver?" You can build them a chatbot in an hour using tools like ManyChat, Chatbase, or Tidio. Then charge them a setup fee plus a small monthly subscription. Boom. You've just created a mini money machine that works while you sleep. Number 4. AI plus print on demand. This one's fun. You use AI art generators to create original designs, funny t-shirts, cool posters, even stickers. Then you upload them to Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. Every time someone buys, the site handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You just collect your share. It's like having an online store, but without touching a single package. And number 5, AI-powered newsletters. Here's the thing. People love niche info, fitness tips, travel hacks, money tricks, whatever. AI can help you gather, summarize, and structure the info. Then you sprinkle in personality, jokes, or commentary. Monetize it with affiliate links, ads, or even a paid subscription. Imagine you send out an email once a week and it pays your rent. That's the power of combining AI speed with your human touch. So here's the deal. AI slop might get clicks today, but it won't survive tomorrow. These 5 strategies are smart, sustainable, and they can actually build you a real business. So, tell me, which one would you try first? Drop it in the comments and hit subscribe because wallet mode is where we turn smart ideas into real income. Remember, AI can give you the tools, but you bring the sauce. See you next time.